I'm Anna, and I'm going to be showing you how to French braid today. So first of all, my hair is green because it was Halloween last night, and I just haven't got a chance to wash it out. Okay, so to start, you want to make sure all the hair is brushed out, no tangles, and if you're going to do a section, you're going to part it. So even if you're doing 2 French braids, you'll part it down the middle. If you're doing a bunch of braids, you'll just part each section you do, so like this one. Or if you're just doing one, you don't have to part it at all. I think it's easiest if you're doing a section to pull the hair in a bun or ponytail that you're using. Okay, so to start, you take a part of the hair, small part, and you divide it into 3 pieces just like a normal braid. Make sure they're nice and even. And then you start by doing 1 or 2 or 3, like 2 or 3, just like normal little braids. Then, I'm going to start with my left side. You can start with either side. Grab a small chunk of the hair and conjoin them together. Then, put it under just like a normal braid. You're going to do the next side just like a normal braid. So you're going to keep going left, right, just like a normal braid. So it's pretty simple. It's just hard to make it look nice. Some ideas to help it look nice are to pull tight and go slow until you get good at it. Because I feel like it sometimes looks sort of sloppy. Not always, matters how you do it. But for some reason, it sort of looks sloppy in certain ways when you don't pull tight enough. And then you just keep doing the left and the right, just like a normal braid, all the way down. So in a second, this is going to happen, but you might be wondering, what happens after you run out of the hair that you're grabbing? Once that happens, you just start braiding like normal. So now that I'm there, I'm just going to start braiding like normal. Still keep the braid tight though. It just seems to make it look nicer. All the way down. So this is a French braid. It should stay on the head. If you did it correctly, it shouldn't come off. I hope you enjoyed this video.